Welcome everybody to today's video. I've got a good short and sweet one for you. I dropped the drone in front of a huge pod of dolphins in the Santa Barbara Channel, and I got some footage of us chasing the dolphins. And I got a suggestion that said to try and do this, and I finally got it. It was a little bit more difficult than I thought. And so today I couldn't have done it without a crew today. And my neighbors were with me, and we went and surfed, and the waves were huge. And we broke 3 boards. I don't know how we did that, but that did happen. And so it was a pretty cool day overall. But if you could see right here, out of the blue, we get the common dolphin here, and just absolutely beautiful animals, majestic to say the least. And so I was really excited, and I play it again here in slow motion for you because I just think it's these animals are amazing. And I wish I had some sonar. Well, I do on my boat, but it'd be cool to have it on my body, right? So that would be super cool to have. And anyway, I'm super happy that we finally got this. I'm getting a lot of stuff on this drone, and so there you go. Anyway, if you guys like this type of stuff and you like the videos that I'm producing here, please click the like and subscribe button and hit the bell if you want to be notified right away. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care, everybody.